Guys, welcome to part 2. Look at this huge tomato. Got it out of my garden. And you guys know I love shooting stuff. I made the apple one and the small tomato. This is a huge tomato. Look at this thing. I just hold it and then just the hole, my pinky just went through the hole anyways. I'll be using the same guns, M19 and the MP001 sniper rifle. Starting with the M19 this time. I've always been starting with the sniper rifle. See what the M19 can do. Whoa, 2 came out of that one. Oh god, I'm missing a lot. Oh, it's jammed. Yep, it's jammed. God. There we go. Now it's done. Oh, damn. Look at that tomato. Fuck. Shit. I'll be using the M9. No. MP001. Let's go. Hit. By the way, I'm doing this 25 yards away. It's pretty far, so I need to keep my aim steady. Woo, 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 woo. It'd be funny if this tomato was on someone's head. Keep on shooting it and you'll be scared as well. Damn. This thing might take a while to like become as bad as the other one. If you haven't seen the other tomato one, it's really big. Did I miss that? I did not see. I can't see that well, guys. Wait. Let's try 2. 2 bullets at once. See what that will do. 2 bullets. Let's go. Oh shit. That was pretty cool. Oh, what? Drop my BB. Second to last. And now the last one. Shit. Look at that under it. Motherfucker. Oh, it's like dripping. Let's finish it off. Using the AGM speed loader. Never get the AGM speed loader. It kind of pisses me off. I don't know if every speed loader is like this, but this speed loader is really annoying. Just dropped a few BBs. I don't care. I have a lot of BBs. Anyways. Pity that I don't have a machine gun yet. Oh! Damn it. Just dropped my mag. Never drop your mag, because I'll just... Alright, let's go shooting. God, missed. Trying to aim at the same spot. Jammed. I'm jammed again. BB fell out. And I'm out. See, as you can see, I just try to shoot at the same spot. Damn. Let's see under it. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Fuck. I'm gonna shoot under it. No, that's not. Let's just keep on shooting at the same place. Let's destroy it. I'm gonna use 2 BBs at once, because I saw that the other one really did some damage. I'm gonna get some bullets from my speed loader. There we go. Alright. Ready to get A's. It's going pretty well. If you ever want to do an airsoft war with me, you will lose, Holmes. Damn. Right there. Two BBs. See what this will do. Shit. Seriously? This is an extra large tomato. I'm gonna be shooting back here, fuck it. Shoot from close with this thing. Shoot it from back here. I'm pretty pissed off at this thing. Oh, fucking. I like small tomatoes better, you know, they actually give up. Got the BBs. Shoots. 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 Shoot. 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 Messed up and I shot 3 times. Now, let's go with the MP001. 2 bullets at once, then I'm giving up, then I'll make a part 2 video. This tomato doesn't fucking screw up. Ah. See what this can do. Fuck it. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Look what I did to this tomato. Shit. Oh. Holes, kind of demolished. I'm gonna eat this for supper. Shit. I just had a shot. I'm gonna try to take out all these bullets. I feel all the brown things in here. Ah, fucking nasty. Here, look. Yeah. I know this minute. Let me take a bite. Fuck. And let me throw it away. That's why I do fucking tomatoes. I'm not making a part 2 since I just threw it away. Ah, fuck. All these tomatoes around the camera. I don't care. I'll write this video. 10-minute video. See you guys later.